Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to improve your sniper nesting skills in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, master map knowledge. Understand the terrain, popular sniper spots, and potential enemy routes. Practice aim regularly. Consistent practice improves your accuracy over time. Adjust sensitivity settings. Find the sensitivity settings that suits your aiming style best. Utilize cover. Use cover to conceal your position and minimize exposure to enemy fire. Stay mobile. Avoid staying in one spot for too long to prevent becoming predictable. Control breathing. Practice controlling your breathing to steady your aim, especially during intense moments. Learn bullet drop. Familiarize yourself with bullet drop mechanics to make long-range shots more accurately. Use high ground. Position yourself on elevated terrain for better visibility and angles. Assess sight lines. Analyze sight lines to anticipate enemy movements and position yourself advantageously. Coordinate with teammates. Communicate with your team to coordinate attacks and cover each other's blind spots. Mind your flanks. Stay aware of your surroundings to avoid getting flanked by enemies. Optimize loadout. Customize your loadout for sniper-focused gameplay, including attachments and perks that enhance accuracy and stealth. Practice quick scoping. Master the art of quick scoping for swift, close-range engagements. Use spotter scope. Utilize spotter scopes to scout ahead without revealing your position. Stay concealed. Avoid unnecessary movement and minimize visibility to reduce the chances of being detected. Monitor UAVs. Keep an eye on enemy UAVs to anticipate potential threats to your position. And that's how to improve your sniper nesting skills in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.